Most people think their garden goes to sleep when December arrives, but I'm about to show you something that will completely transform your growing season. The gardeners with the biggest harvests and the healthiest plants, they're not waiting until spring. They're starting seeds right now, in December, and the difference is staggering. I'm Adam Grove from Backyard Crops, and after years of experimenting and learning from thousands of gardeners, I've discovered that December is actually the most powerful month for seed starting. The results speak for themselves. Bigger harvests, stronger plants, and a success rate that amazes people. Stick with me because I'm breaking down exactly which seeds need December attention and why skipping this month means waiting an entire year for what your neighbors are already growing. Plus, I've got a game-changing secret at the end that nearly doubles your success rate in cold weather. Before we jump in, if you're serious about growing better vegetables, hit that subscribe button. Share this with someone who loves gardening. And let me know in the comments which seed excites you most. Let's grow something amazing together. December sowing seed number 1, onions, the foundation crop. Let's start with a crop that makes or breaks most gardens. Onions. If you've ever grown tiny onions when you expected baseball-sized bulbs, this section is for you. The trick with onions is understanding that they respond to daylight. Varieties like Walla Walla, Red Baron, and Yellow Granex need roughly 14 hours of sunlight to actually form those beautiful bulbs you want. That light window is shorter than you think. Your timing has to be perfect. When you start onion seeds indoors in December, you're giving your young plants 3 to 4 full months to build incredible root systems and thick, sturdy stems. By the time spring arrives and you transplant them outdoors, these seedlings are already strong enough to handle whatever the garden throws at them. That head start makes the difference between average onions and the stunning ones people actually admire. The great news is onions grow almost everywhere. Zones 3 through 10 means nearly every gardener can succeed with this timing. Position your seed trays somewhere bright and cool, keeping the temperature around 65 to 70 degrees. By the time your garden soil is ready to work, you'll have transplants that are ready to go. December effort equals July success. This is where patience truly pays off in the vegetable garden. December sowing seed number 2, leeks, the underrated champion. Here's a vegetable most home gardeners completely overlook: leeks. These mild, tender plants are pure magic in the kitchen, and December is exactly when they need your attention. Varieties like King Richard and American Flag require substantial growing time, often 120 days or beyond, to develop those gorgeous white shanks everyone loves. The secret is starting them from seed now, giving them the long runway necessary to become impressive transplants by springtime. Leeks handle cold like champions. They flourish in zones 3 through 10, and here's something beautiful: they actually taste sweeter after experiencing frost. That natural sweetness is something you can't replicate in any other way. Plant your seeds in indoor trays, keep them consistently moist, and provide plenty of light. By March or April, your seedlings will be pencil thick and ready for garden space. One amazing aspect of leeks is their storage ability. You can leave them in the ground and harvest them gradually all through the winter months. December planting creates a continuous supply of this versatile, mild vegetable that professional gardeners depend on. Start now, harvest for months. December sowing seed number 3, celery. Patience brings perfection. Celery earned its reputation for being challenging. But honestly, most of those challenges disappear when you give it enough time. That's the real secret. This vegetable grows incredibly slowly. Germination can take 3 weeks just to see that first sprout. Varieties like Tall Utah and Ventura need a long, cool growing period to develop those crisp, flavorful stalks that taste incredible before summer heat ruins everything. December indoor starting gives you a 4 to 5 month advantage that truly matters. Celery performs best in zones 4 through 10, loving consistent moisture and temperatures hovering between 60 and 70 degrees. Those tiny seeds need light to germinate, so spread them across the top of your growing mix and mist regularly. The seeds won't bury themselves. When you start celery in December, your transplants emerge strong and prepared for early spring planting.
Your harvest arrives before the intense summer heat shows up, meaning you get tender, flavorful stalks instead of bitter, tough plants. December discipline creates spring and summer success. December sowing seed number 4. Parsley, breaking through the weight. Every kitchen gardener should grow parsley, but those seeds test your patience immediately. Both the flat-leafed Italian variety and the curly moss type germinate incredibly slowly. 2 to 4 weeks is standard before you see anything green. There's an old saying among experienced gardeners that parsley seeds travel to the devil and back 7 times before sprouting. Once you've waited for them, you'll understand the humor completely. Starting parsley in December gives those stubborn seeds plenty of time to wake up while you're comfortable indoors. Parsley thrives in zones 4 to 9 and handles cold weather beautifully. Your spring transplants will establish quickly once they enter the ground. Here's a helpful trick. Soak your seeds overnight before planting to speed the process along. Then keep them warm and consistently moist. By the time your garden is ready for planting, you'll have bushy parsley starts that produce tender, fresh leaves all the way through fall. Fresh parsley from your own garden tastes completely different from those wilted grocery store bunches that have been sitting for days.
December sowing seed number 5. Cabbage, cool season triumph. Cabbage is a cool season superstar, and the timing determines everything. Early Jersey Wakefield and Brunswick varieties produce the best heads when they mature before summer heat takes over. The challenge is developing stocky, well-rooted transplants before moving them outdoors. December planting provides exactly that. Starting seeds indoors now creates 6 to 8 weeks of protected growth inside. Your transplants become tough enough to handle the unpredictable weather that early spring throws at gardeners. Cabbage grows beautifully in zones 3 through 9 and actually prefers the cooler temperatures that stress other crops. Plant seeds about 1/4 inch deep, give them bright light, and maintain temperatures around 65 to 75 degrees for the best germination. Once seedlings develop their first true leaves, move them to a cooler location to gradually harden them off. This careful transition prepares them perfectly for outdoor life. The reward for this December effort is tender homegrown cabbage ready for coleslaw, sauerkraut, or simply steamed with butter by late spring. Your family will taste the difference immediately. December work equals spring harvest rewards. December sowing seed number 6. Broccoli. Timing is everything. Broccoli is one of the most rewarding vegetables to grow, but timing decides your success or failure. Varieties like Celery and Waltham 29 need to form their heads during cool weather. Your transplants must be ready to plant the moment spring conditions allow. December indoor starting provides the 8 to 10 week advantage this crop desperately needs. Broccoli performs well in zones 3 through 9. Those tight green florets you harvest taste far sweeter than anything from the supermarket. Begin your seeds in cell trays. Supply plenty of light and keep soil temperatures between 65 and 75 degrees for the best germination. As seedlings grow, good air circulation prevents those weak, leggy stems that plague rushed transplants. By starting in December, you position yourself for a spring broccoli harvest that beats the summer heat and the pest pressure that comes with it. You're essentially outsmarting the seasons and the insects. December sowing seed number 7. Cauliflower. Mastering the temperamental. Cauliflower earned its reputation as the most temperamental brassica in the garden, and that reputation exists for good reason. This crop demands an extended stretch of cool weather to form those beautiful white heads. Snowball Y and amazing varieties need conditions that aren't too hot and aren't too cold for a long period. The only reliable way to hit that temperature window is getting transplants into the ground early in spring. December planting gives cauliflower the 10 to 12 weeks of indoor growth necessary to produce strong transplants for outdoor conditions. This vegetable thrives in zones 3 through 9, but will bolt or produce undersized heads if temperatures swing dramatically.
Plant seeds indoors, keep them consistently moist, and provide strong light to prevent stretching and weakness. The real key to cauliflower success is steady, uninterrupted growth throughout those critical early weeks. December starting gives you complete control over those stages. Homegrown cauliflower roasted with olive oil and garlic rewards every bit of extra planning and attention you invest. The flavor difference is remarkable. December sowing seed number 8. Hot chili peppers, the slow burners. If you've attempted growing cayenne, habanero, or Thai hot peppers and been disappointed, the problem was almost certainly your starting time. Hot peppers rank among the slowest germinating seeds in the entire vegetable world. 2 to 4 weeks just to emerge is normal. Then they grow at a leisurely pace, requiring serious patience. December planting gives these heat-loving plants the 4 to 5 month runway they need to become substantial, productive plants by the time warm weather arrives. While hot peppers grow outdoors year-round only in zones 8 through 11, gardeners everywhere can enjoy them as annuals with proper indoor starting. Use a heating mat to keep soil temperatures around 80 to 85 degrees for fastest germination, and prepare yourself to wait. The reward for this early effort is plants absolutely loaded with fiery peppers by midsummer instead of barely ripening fruit as frost approaches. December is when serious pepper growers launch their season.
December sowing seed number 9. Lavender, the fragrant beauty. Lavender brings beauty, fragrance, and pollinator activity to any garden space, but growing it from seed requires understanding what these Mediterranean plants need for successful germination. Varieties like Munstead and Hidcote have seeds that benefit enormously from cold stratification, a period of cold, moist conditions that mimics winter and breaks the seed dormancy naturally. December is the ideal moment to plant lavender seeds outdoors in a cold frame or unheated greenhouse where natural freeze and thaw cycles accomplish this work automatically. You can also mix seeds with damp sand and refrigerate them for 4 to 6 weeks before planting indoors if you prefer. Lavender grows as a perennial in zones 5 through 9 and becomes increasingly drought-tolerant and fragrant as plants mature. Starting from seed requires patience since germination can be spotty, but December planting aligns perfectly with lavender's natural rhythm. By spring, stratified seeds will sprout into healthy seedlings that establish quickly during warm weather. Within a year or two, you'll have blooming plants that return reliably every season. December sowing seed number 10. Milkweed, supporting life. If you care about supporting monarch butterflies, milkweed is the single most important plant you can possibly grow. It's the only food source available for monarch caterpillars. Without milkweed, there are no monarchs. Common milkweed and showy milkweed varieties produce beautiful flowers that attract all kinds of pollinators beyond just monarchs. However, their seeds come with built-in dormancy that requires winter stratification to break naturally. December outdoor planting allows natural freeze and thaw cycles to crack that dormancy, preparing seeds for vigorous spring germination. You can achieve this indoors by placing seeds between moist paper towels in the refrigerator for 6 to 8 weeks, but outdoor planting is simpler and mimics exactly what happens in nature. Milkweed thrives as a perennial in zones 3 through 9, returning bigger and stronger each year once established. Simply press seeds into the soil surface in a prepared bed or container and let winter accomplish the hard work. By May or June, you'll see seedlings emerging. Within a year or two, those plants will be hosting monarch caterpillars and filling your garden with fragrant summer blooms.
The game-changing bonus secret. Now here's the bonus technique that makes a real difference with your December seed starting. This one simple thing transforms your results dramatically. When you're germinating seeds indoors during cold months, soil temperature matters far more than the air temperature in your home. Most seeds need soil temperatures between 65 and 85 degrees for reliable germination. But in December, your house might feel comfortably warm while the soil in your seed trays, sitting near a window, stays 20 degrees colder. This is why so many gardeners struggle with poor germination during winter months. The solution is straightforward: a seedling heating mat placed underneath your trays. These affordable mats raise soil temperature by 10 to 20 degrees and can actually cut germination time in half for slow starters like peppers, parsley, and celery. You don't need anything fancy or expensive. A basic mat costs minimal money and lasts for years of reliable use. Place your seed trays directly on the mat. Check soil temperature with an inexpensive probe thermometer and watch how your germination rates improve dramatically. This single tool transforms December seed starting from frustrating and discouraging to foolproof and consistent. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without this simple technology. Final thoughts and your next steps. December is your secret weapon for a garden that impresses everyone. While other gardeners are sleeping through winter, you're building the foundation for the best growing season you've ever experienced. These 10 seeds give you vegetables and flowers that matter. The timing is critical, the results are guaranteed, and your neighbors will be asking questions when they see your harvest. Before you go, please hit that like button and subscribe to Backyard Crops for more growing tips and techniques. Share this video with fellow gardeners who need this information. Drop a comment telling me which seed you're most excited to start this December. Your amazing garden starts right now. Let's grow something beautiful together.